Good morning to all of you. Today we discuss about some problem. After that we discuss trigonometric limit, exponential limit and logarithmic limit. Now we discuss some problem. Here solve first problem. Limit x tends to 2, x square minus 4 divided by x minus 2. Second problem, limit x tends to 2, under root 3 minus x minus 1 by 2 minus x. And third, limit x tends to 0, x 1 minus under root 1 minus x. Fourth, limit x tends to infinity, 9x square plus 3x plus 7 divided by 5x square plus 2x plus 1, and 5 limit x tends to 0 sin mx by sin nx. And sixth problem, prove that limit x tends to 0 tan x minus sin x divided by x cube equal to half. Now first problem, limit x tends to 2, x square minus 4 divided by x minus 2. Check the form here. X is equal to 2 to 4 minus 4 equal to 0 divided by 2 minus 2 equal to 0. This is indeterminate form, so that now limit x tends to 2. This convert into a square minus b square, x square minus 2 square, x plus 2 and x minus 2. So that we write here x plus 2 and x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. Now x minus 2 remove, so that limit x tends to 2, x plus 2, put in x equal to 2, this comes here, 2 plus 2 equal to 4. This is the limiting value of our problem. Now second problem, limit x tends to 2 under root 3 minus x minus 1 divided by 2 minus x. Now for this we check the form. Here x is equal to 2, here 2, 1 under 1 is equal to 1, now minus 1 equal to 0 and 2 minus 2 equal to 0. This is 0 by 0 form. Now for solving this, as we studied factorization, rationalization, expansion, here rationalization, limit x tends to 2 under root 3 minus x minus 1 divided by 2 minus x. Rationalization here, under root 3 minus x minus 1, here plus 1 divided by under root 3 minus x plus 1. Now a minus b and a minus b, here this is a minus, this is a under root 3 minus x minus 1 and here plus 1, so that this becomes a minus b and a plus b, a square minus b square under root 3 minus x chi square minus 1 chi square. This is equal to only under root remove, this is equal to 3 minus x minus 1. This is equal to 2 minus x. Now this and this become limit x tends to 2, this and this become 2 minus x divided by here 2 minus x, and also here 1 by under root 3 minus x plus 1. Now this and this remove so that only this limit x tends to 2, here 1 by under root 3 minus x plus 1, putting the value x is equal to 2, putting x is equal to 2. Now here this 1 by under root 3 minus 2 plus 1, this is equal to 1, 3 minus 2, 1, and bracket 1, 1 plus 1, this is equal to 1 by 2. This is the limiting value of our problem. Now we take third problem here. Now third problem, limit x tends to 0, x by 1 minus under root 1 minus x. Now check the form. X is equal to 0, this is 0, x is equal to 0, 0, this is 1, 1 minus 1, 0 by 0 form. Now rationalize this. Rationalization. Limit x tends to 0, x divided by 1 minus under root 1 minus x into 1 plus under root 1 minus x divided by 1 plus under root 1 minus x. Here this is minus, this is plus. Now we take x and 1 plus under root 1 minus x. Here limit x tends to 0, a minus b and a plus b, a square 1 का square minus under root 1 minus x का square, 1 minus x, 1 minus 1 plus x, this is equal to x. Now on this we put only x, and x removed, so that limit x tends to 0, 1 plus under root 1 minus x, and now putting x is equal to 0, this is 0, this is 1, and 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. This is limiting value of our problem, that this is equal to 2. Now fourth problem, here limit x tends to infinity, 9x square plus 3x plus 7 divided by 5x square plus 2x plus 1. Now we take the form, check the form. We know that x tends to infinity, so that this is become infinity by infinity, because we add the multiply by anything in the infinity, that is also infinity. So that now limit x tends to infinity, here take common x square. Now here 9 plus 3 by x plus 7 by x square. If we multiply this 9x square, this here 3x, and this here x square cancel, only 7 divided by x square, here 5 plus 2 by x plus 1 by x square. Now x square remove, and putting the value of putting x is equal to infinity, this and this remove. Now only this rest 9 plus 3 by infinity plus 7 by this is infinity divided by 5 plus 2 by infinity and plus 1 by infinity. Now as you know that this is a 9, we divide infinity in any numbers that is equal to 0, so that this is 0, this is 0 divided by 5 plus 0 plus 0, this is 9 by 5. This is our limiting value answer. 9 by 5. Now question 5. Limit x tends to 0 sin mx by sin nx sin mx by sin nx for x is equal to 0 sin 0 में 0 and this is also 0, this is 0 by 0 form. Now we arrange this limit, this can be written as limit x tends to 0 sin mx divided by mx into nx divided by sin nx into mx by nx. This cancel, this cancel, sin mx divided by sin nx, no change here. Now we apply the limit, this limit x tends to 0 sin mx by mx and limit x tends to 0 nx by sin nx into limit x tends to 0, here x and x remove, only m by n. Now value of this, as you know that limit x tends to 0 sin x by x r, this is equal to 1 r x by sin x equal to 1, so that this is equal to 1, this is also equal to 1, and here x absent, so that m by n. Now this is equal to m by n. This is the limiting value of our problem, and now we take next problem here. Now the sixth problem prove that limit x tends to 0 tan x minus sin x divided by x cube equal to half. We take from the left hand side this tan x replaced by sin x by cos x minus sin x divided by x cube. Now we take the axiom cos x, here sin x minus sin x cos x divided by this comes here x cube cos x this. Now we take common sin x, here 1 minus cos x and x cube cos x here this is cos x equal to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. As we know that sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2, this is also 1, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now cos x is equal to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. We replace here cos x here 1 minus sin square x by 2, cos square x by 2 equal to 1 minus sin square x by 2, and here sin square x by 2. This is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. So that now this comes here 2 sin square x by 2 equal to 1 minus cos x. We replace 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin square x by 2. Here 2 sin square x by 2. Now arrange the limit this in form of product limit x tends to 0 sin x into x, limit x tends to the sin x by 2 का whole square. This comes here and this x by 2 x square 1x and x square, this cancel. Now 1 by 2 here, this is in up direction 4, here 2, so that 1 by 2 and only cos x remain this. Now as we know that limit x tends to 0 sin x by x equal to 1, sin x trigonometric function, so this is equal to 1, this is also equal to 1, this is cos 0 equal to 1, and this is 1 by 2, so that this is multiply at last 1 by 2. This is right hand side group. Now we study about the trigonometric limit. First of all, we write some expansion. Now some expansions that use in calculating the limit of the functions. E के power x equal to 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus x cube by factorial 3. Factorial n means होता है n minus 1, n minus 2, dot 3 to 1. Similarly, factorial 2 means 2 into 1, factorial 3 means 3 into 2 into 1, factorial 5 means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So that here, as we see that we learn easily sin x equal to x minus x cube by factorial 3 plus x 5 by factorial 5 plus minus and cos 1 minus x square by factorial 2 plus x to the power 4 by factorial 3. As we see these two expansion alternate come from here, and tan x equal to 1 plus x cube by 3, x to the power 5 by 5, x power 7 by 7, and log 1 plus x equal to x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4 plus minus comes up to infinity. Now here limit x tends to 0 sin x by x equal to 1. This use formula. Now we solve here limit x tends to 0 sin x, as here expansion x minus x cube by factorial 3 plus x to the power 5 by factorial 5 here plus minus dot infinity divided by here x. We take this side from left hand side, expansion of this, and by this now limit x tends to 0. Here we take common x, comes here 1. Here x square by factorial 3. Here x के पावर 4 by factorial 5. This infinity divided by x. We remove x from this, and this becomes limit x tends to 0. This and this remove only this 1 minus x square by factorial 3 plus x के पावर 4 x के पावर 4 by factorial 5 plus minus infinity. Putting x equal to 0, this 0, so that all are 0, so that this is equal to 1. Thus, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x equal to 1, and here we write this sin x by x equal to 1. Proved. Now, thus we get result. Thus limit x tends to 0, sin x by x equal to limit x tends to 0, x by sin x. If you write this r sin inverse x by limit x tends to 0, sin inverse x by x, r limit x tends to 0, x by sin inverse x by sin inverse x, r x cosec x, limit x tends to 0, x cosec x, all are equal to 1. All are equal to 1. It means that we use this limit x tends to 0, sin x by x, limit x tends to 0, x by sin x, limit x tends to 0, sin inverse x by x, or limit x tends to 0, x by sin inverse x, or limit x tends to 0, x cosec x, thus will equal to 1. And now limit x tends to 0, sin x by x equal to 1. Proof this. Here limit x tends to 0, tan x, we use the expansion of tan x. Here x cube by x plus x cube by 3 plus x to the power 5 by 5 plus dot dot infinity divided by x. We take from left hand side. Now limit x tends to 0. Here we take common x. Here 1. Here x square by 3. X to the power 4 by 5. This is up to infinity divided by x. Here x and x remove. Now limit x tends to 0. Here 1 plus x square by 3. X to the power 4 by 5 up to infinity, putting x equal to 0. This is 0, all to all 0, only equal to 1. Thus limit x tends to 0, tan x by x equal to 1. Now thus limit x tends to 0, tan x by x equal to limit x tends to 0, x by tan x, x by tan x, our limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0. Now tan inverse x by x equal to 1. We use this formula to solve the questions. Now we take another formula. Now third, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x divided by x is equal to half. We will take this limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x divided by x square. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x. Here 1 minus x square by factorial 2 plus x to the power 4 by factorial 4 minus x power 6 by factorial 6 up to infinity divided by x square. Here limit x tends to 0. Now 1 minus 1 plus x square by factorial 2 negative positive negative x per 4 by factorial 4 and so on divided by x square. Here this and this remove. Now this we take the limit x tends to 0, x square common x square. Here 1 by factorial 2 minus here x square by factorial 4 this here divided by x square, this and this remove, and putting x equal to 0 here, putting x equal to 0, this 0 after that 0, that is only 1 by factorial 2, 1 by factorial 2, it means that 1 by 2 into 1, that is equal to 1 by 2, and this here 1 by 2. Now this can be also proved with the help of another method. Here limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x divided by x square. Here we can take the cos x equal to cos square x minus sin square x, or 1 minus 2 sin square x, 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. It means that 1 minus cos x, this comes here, 2 sin square x by 2 equal to 1 minus cos x. We can write this with help of this limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x 2 sin square x by 2 divided by x square. This can be written as limit x tends to 0, sin x by 2 divided by x by 2 sin square x by sin square x by 2 sin square x by 2 divided by x by 2 by square. Here now this can be written as sin square x by 2 x by 2 by square, 1 to here, so that half comes here, and this is equal to 1, half into 1 equal to half. Now like